Catch, Snuffy!
Hello there, Miffy.
Hello! Did you see Snuffy catching my ball?
Yes, she's very good at catching. I think she wants another go.
Ready, Snuffy? Catch!
Ice cream! Ice cream! Who wants a cool and yummy ice cream?
Me, please.
Hello there, Miffy. You're my first customer today. Oops, that sounded like
Hiccups.
exactly what I was going to say. Now, one ice cream for Miffy coming right up. Here we go.
Oh, Snuffy!
Oh, well, I guess that one was for Snuffy. Let's try again. Sorry, Miffy.
That's okay, Boris. Oops.
Go away, silly Hiccups. I can't serve ice creams like this.
I know. I could help you, Boris.
Oh, would you, Miffy? That would be ever so kind.
One ice cream for me coming up. There. Mmm, yummy. No, Snuffy. You've had enough. You know, Boris, I could look after your ice cream stall until your hiccups have gone.
Really? Thank you, Miffy. That will be a great help.
You sit down here and relax, and I'll run the ice cream stall. Right. Who wants some ice cream? Cool and yummy. Oh, me please, Miffy. One ice cream for Melanie coming right up. Huh? Hi, Boris.
Hello, Melanie.
He's got hiccups. I'm helping him until they go. Thank you. I know how to cure your hiccups, Boris. You have to stand on one leg.
Like this? Whoa.
Yes, good. And now, rub your tummy. That's it, Boris.
Oh.
Oops. Well, it always works for me.
It was worth a try. Thanks anyway, Melanie.
Bye. Bye, Melanie. Hi, Dan. Oof. One ice cream all ready for Dan. Oh, wow. Thank you, Miffy.
That looks good. I fancy an ice cream too. I think my hiccups have gone now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think so.
There. Here you go.
Thank you. Yum.
Oh! Oh. No! Oh, that way. Oh, yes. No! Oh. Oh. Oh, I know how to get rid of hiccups. You do?
You do?
Yes, you run backwards.
What? Like this?
That's it. You're doing it. Come on, Boris. Keep going. Oh, dear. Up you get.
Oh, that didn't work either. I'm going to hiccup forever and ever.
Poor Boris.
If only I could stop hiccuping for long enough to have an ice cream.
Don't worry, Boris. Oh!
Oh!
Ice creams!
Miffy, you gave me a bit of a shock there.
I'm looking after Boris's ice cream stall.
So I see. But where is Boris?
He's got the hiccups. We can't get rid of them no matter what we try.
Well, have you tried?
One ice cream for Aunt Alice coming up.
Oh, hello, Boris.
Oh, I can't Can you help me, Boris?
Oh, yes, could you?
It's right at the bottom.
Of course, Miffy. Whoa!
Woo! Oh, speedy service, Boris.
Miffy! What did you do that for? You gave me a fright.
No, I gave you a shock. Just like Aunt Alice said.
That's right. A big shock is good for getting rid of hiccups.
Oh, no hiccups. No hiccups. No hiccups.
And that means...
Oh, yes. Ice cream.
Oh, Snuffy, you've eaten too much ice cream. Now you've got hiccups.
Oh, no.
Dear Snuffy.
Hello, Miffy. What have you got there?
A picnic blanket. See? I'm going on a picnic with Dan. That must be him now. It's very early. Hi, Dan.
Hi, Miffy. Are you ready for the picnic? I brought the picnic basket.
And Mummy's making the sandwiches, but they're not ready yet.
Ah, okay. What should we do until they are?
I know. We can put on a play for Mummy and Daddy.
That's a great idea.
Come on. Right. We can be Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. We already have a picnic basket for Red Riding Hood to take to her grandmother.
Oh, you can wear this as Red Riding Hood.
And you can be the Big Bad Wolf.
Yes! I'd love to be a wolf.
You'll be a brilliant wolf. But we need to practice the words too.
Words? What words? Can't I just growl?
In the story, the wolf pretends to be grandmother. Remember?
Oh, yes.
Red Riding Hood says, "What big eyes you have." And the wolf says, "All the better to see you with."
Do we have to do the words?
That's the best part of the story. When the wolf says, "All the better to eat you with."
But what if I don't remember what to say when people are watching me?
You can have a costume, so you'll feel more like the wolf and forget all about the people watching.
Okay.
Mummy,
Oh, hello.
me and Dan are doing a play about Little Red Riding Hood. Do you have something we can use as a wolf costume?
How about my old brown coat?
That sounds great. Thank you.
Oh, I can't wait to see your play.
Thanks, Mummy. Let's go and get your costume.
Okay. Ow! I really feel like a big bad wolf now.
Mummy's coat is a perfect wolf costume. Now, let's try it with the words. Oh, Grandmother, what big eyes you have.
All the better to smell you with. Oh no, that's not right.
Don't worry, just try again. What big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with.
That's it. You're a great wolf.
Ow.
Oh.
Oh, special seats and everything.
Please take your seats. The show is about to begin.
All the better to see you with. All the better to see you with. What if I forget my words while your mummy and daddy are watching?
Just take a deep breath and pretend no one's watching. Okay.
Shh, it's starting.
I am Little Red Riding Hood.
And I'm the wolf. Ow! Where are you going, little girl?
I'm taking this picnic to my grandmother.
I'll get to her grandmother's house first. and take that picnic basket. Oh, Miffy!
Yes?
We don't have anyone to be grandmother.
Oh, no!
I'll do it.
Thanks, Mummy.
I'm Red Riding Hood's grandmother.
Rah!
Oh, a wolf!
Oh no! Run!
Oh! Run!
Ow!
Hello? Grandmother? Where are you?
Hello, Red Riding Hood. Here I am.
My, what big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with. Yes.
And what big teeth you have.
All the better to eat you with.
Oh no, a wolf!
Oh no!
Dad, we don't have anyone to be the woodcutter who saves Red Riding Hood.
I'll be the woodcutter. Don't worry, Red Riding Hood. I'll save you. Be gone, wolf.
Thank you, woodcutter. You saved me. The end.
Oh, well done. What a lovely play.
Well done, you two.
Dan, you were great. Did you do what I said and pretend no one was watching?
I didn't have to. No one was watching. Everyone was in the play.
You're right.
Oh.
And you know what time it is now? Picnic time!
And I'm as hungry as a wolf. Ow!
Wake up, Sleepy Bear. It's morning. Time to brush your hair. Did you have nice dreams? Oh. Bear, was that you? Hmm? Oh! Sheep! There are sheep outside.
This way. Come on.
Oh! Come back!
I think Mummy and Daddy need some help.
Oh!
Come on.
Ah.
Okay,
We've got it.
careful.
Oh!
Morning, Mummy. Morning, Daddy. Have you got us some sheep?
No, they were here when we woke up. They must have escaped from the farm.
Aww. This one's sweet. Oh,
Let's have another go at rounding them up.
okay.
Nearly there. Nearly.
We did it!
Well, thanks to you, Miffy. You two keep them here. I'll go and call the farmer to come and collect them.
Okay.
Don't bother.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'll get him back.
I'll keep an eye on these two. By yourself.
Oh, nearly. Come back, lamb. Don't you run so fast. Come back, lamb. And I'll catch up at last. Please don't run away. I only want to play with you. Come back, lamb. I need to stop and rest. Oh, come here, lamb. Come back, lamb. Don't be such a tease. Oh, come back, lamb. Let me catch you, please. Please don't go so far. What a naughty lamb you are. Oh, come back, lamb. Or slow down at least. Here you go. Come on. Oh! Oh! Snuffy! You shouldn't bark at new friends. Oh! Hey, little lamb, come and meet my friend Snuffy. Come on. Oh, Snuffy!
Is something wrong, Miffy?
I need to get this lamb back home, but Snuffy's barking keeps scaring it away.
So when Snuffy barks, the lamb runs in the other direction.
Yes. Oh, so if Snuffy barks over there, the lamb will run back this way. Snuffy, go to the other side.
Perhaps you can make it easier for her to understand what you want.
Oh, maybe if I show you what I want. Like this, Snuffy. Follow me. Quietly. Good girl, Snuffy. Now! Come on, Snuffy.
That's 2 of my sheep. Oh,
That's it, Snuffy.
Oh, well done, Miffy.
You should thank Snuffy. She got the lamb to move the right way.
so Snuffy's a sheepdog, is she? In that case...
A whistle? What's that for?
If you're patient, you can train Snuffy with it. Let me show you. Very good. Good girl, Snuffy. That's it, Miffy. Oh, look at her go.
Here. Good girl, Snuffy.
That's it, Miffy. Well done.
Bye.
Bye.
Good luck.
That's it. She's so clever. Come on, Snuffy.
We'll have them back at the farm in no time. Well, that explains that. I must have left the gate open when I fed them this morning.
Don't worry. Snuffy knows what to do. Good girl, Snuffy. Well done.
There.
Here's your whistle back.
Why don't you keep it, Miffy? You and Snuffy make a good team.
We do, don't we?